You may have two or multiple Instagram accounts you want to merge, so in this video, I'm going to tackle on whether or not you can merge two Instagram accounts. Without further ado, let's get started. Now I'm just going to go ahead and open up our Instagram app right over here. And once I go to my profile page by clicking on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner and click on our name right here at the top left. As you can see, I have multiple accounts on my Instagram app on my phone. So for example, I want to merge all these accounts. So unfortunately, the answer to our question is no, you cannot merge two Instagram accounts. And Instagram doesn't give this option or this feature. So some of the reasons for this is that people would abuse the feature and might have create a black market where people would buy and sell Instagram accounts, and that would basically make the algorithm imbalanced, and Instagram wouldn't want that. So another is that people would get confused with seeing different content once you merge your two different accounts. So my advice is that you can promote your other account to your main account or something like that to have more followers on your other account if that is your goal. So that is basically it on the topic on whether or not you can merge two Instagram accounts. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.